question about so is it problematic if animals drink water that was left uncovered overnight?
It's a very good question. If animals, so I had the student ask me a question. They have a Netilas Yadayim on next to the bed, and they have cats, and cats come. They drink from that. I think I'm not 100% sure, but I think it affects only humans. This bad spirits affects only humans. I mean, so the original issue with uncovered water, just so we understand, was that maybe snake drank from it. So if we're going to drink from this vessel, maybe like from the water, from the milk or whatever they people left uncovered, they even drink wine. The way I understand the snakes, right? So you have to keep all of these things covered. But water, if you're going to wash our hands, so technically, like logically, I'm not talking halacha because I'm not sure about. I mean, I will try to think like logically about halacha. Like if you wash your hands, right, and there is a snake poison on the hands, let's say, God forbid, and the person washes his hands, like if his face, like after wake up, he can die, chas v'shalom. Right? This poison can go through the eyes, through the nose, through the mouth, right? Very, very simple. Doesn't have to drink even, right? But I think the accepted opinion is, I never heard it. Like again, it's not halacha, but I'm trying to build, like, understand from logic. I never heard anybody said that you have to cover this cup, Netilas Yadayim. Okay, so never. Okay, so and most of the people would keep it next to their bed. Maybe the snakes would be afraid to go with that room. I'm not sure, right? When the people are, but like they would not be afraid. For example, when people left something uncovered in the kitchen. But it's my guess. Okay. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome.